What's up mga babagsak? So in this video, we will be talking about hypothesis test using p-value method. So again, ito pa rin yung ating example. So the leader of the Association of Tricycle Drivers claimed that the average daily home pay of all tricycle drivers in Solano is 400 pesos. A random sample of 100 tricycle drivers was interviewed and the average daily take-home pay of these drivers is found to be 425 pesos. Use a 0.05 significance level to find out if the average daily take-home pay of all tricycle drivers is different from 400 pesos. Assume that the population standard deviation is 200 is 92 pesos. So, first step natin, letter A. So okay, we need to determine the null hypothesis. We need to state the null and alternative hypothesis. So for this time, again, ang ating HO, masyado, ang ating HO, okay, our mu is equal to 400 kasi ito yung ating claim. And our HA will be mu is not equal to 400 pesos. Next, letter B. So, gaya pa rin doon, we set our level of significance to be 0.05. So, our alpha is equal to 0.05. Letter C. Dito na yung gagamitin natin yung ating test statistics, which is z-test. Kasi nga, ito ay yung standard deviation natin ay known at yung ating n or yung ating samples ay equal sa greater than sa 30. So again, z is equal to the sample mean minus the population mean divided by the population standard deviation over the number of samples. So yung mean natin dito for our samples is 425 pesos. At yung ating inassume, which is the population mean, is 400 pesos. Ngayon, divided by natin ito sa ating standard deviation na 92, then square root of 100. Using our calculator, we can easily find the z value or the result in z score. So 420 minus 400 divided by 92 over square root delete over square root of 100. Then just press enter. So ang kinalabasan ay 125 over 42 46. So i-press nyo lang tong SD. So yan, lalabas ang 2.7717 blah blah blah. So ang kunin lang natin ay 2 decimal places. Kasi yung ating Z table, ito, yung ating Z table ay meron lang siyang 2 decimal places. Ayan. Okay. So 2.72. So ngayon ito ay equal sa 2.72. Okay. So ibaba natin konti para may space tayo. So next, letter D. Letter D is dito na tayo maggagawa ng ating decision. Okay. So, nakita naman, bago tayo gumawa ng decision, kailangan muna natin itong z na ito ay convert natin in area or sa kanyang probability. So, we use ito, gamitin natin ito. Okay. So, makikita nyo dito na ang 2.72, okay, move natin konti. Ito, 2.7. Tapos, nandito ang 0.02. Then, tingnan nyo lang yung kanyang intersection. So, ayan. So, meron tayong 0.4967. So, ang ating area ngayon or ating ZA ngayon ay 0. Nakalimutan ko. 0.4967. 0.4967. Okay. Ngayon, itong 0.4967 na yan ay ima-minus natin sa 0.5 at ito ay magiging equal sa 0. Calculate. Okay, escape. Or we cancel 0.5 minus 0. Yan natin ito point. May point dyan. Minus 0.4967. Okay. SD. Ayan. 0.0033. 0.0033. Then, itong 0.033 ay kailangan nating i-multiply sa 2 kasi ito ay a over 2. Kasi, mapapansin nyo dito na ito ay isang two-tailed test. Ayan, meron siyang equal sign dyan, oh. Okay, meron siyang equal sign. Ay, not equal sign. Okay, meron siyang not equal sign. Ibig sabihin, two-tailed siya. So, kailangan natin siyang i-multiply sa 2. So, ang ZA natin ngayon ay equal sa, or sorry, hindi na yan ZA. Ang probability natin ngayon, or ang ating p-value ngayon, ay equal sa 0. Multiply lang natin sa 2. So, 0.0066. Ito yung multiply nyo sa 2. Ngayon, pag multiply na yan sa 2, so, makikita natin, or pwede na natin i-conclude. Sa letter E na since ang ating p-value ay less than the 0.05 level of significance, yung ating HO ay mare-reject. We reject HO. Ibig sabihin yung ating mga tricycle drivers, or we found out that the average daily home pay of tricycle drivers is different. Okay. Different from 400 pesos. Ibig sabihin, pwedeng mas mataas dyan. Kasi yung test natin mas mataas. Pwedeng mas mataas dyan. So, ganun lang siya mag-test ng hypothesis. So, first, we set or we state the HO and HA. Next, determine natin kung anong ginamit nating level of significance. Next is magte-test gamitin natin yung test statistics natin. So, yung appropriate test statistics, so lalabas ito. After that, kung two-tailed siya, okay, after mong i-minus sa 0.5, kailangan mo siyang i-times 2. Pero pag one-tailed, i-minus mo lang dito, then yan na yung iyong p-value. Then, after that, tingnan mo kung greater than, kung yung iyong p-value ay less than 0.5 or 0.05, 0.05, we reject. Ito yung reject. Pero pag yung ating p-value ay greater than or equal to 0.05, we fail to reject. Fail to reject. Okay. So, that's it. So, ganun lang siya mag-test ng hypothesis. So, in the next video, pag-aaralan naman natin kung paano naman kung ang variance ay unknown. Okay.